Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best AI tools that can make you rich in 2023. But before we dive into that, please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop a nice comment below. I really appreciate your support. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of earning money with AI. If you're looking to start your own online business and make some serious cash, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate my success in creating frame mockups. Trust me, this product is in high demand with surprisingly low competition. And don't worry, I'll reveal the easiest and quickest way to create these mockups using AI and Adobe Photoshop. Believe it or not, some online stores are earning almost $100,000 per year just by selling frame mockups. It's crazy business. Now, you might think that's a small income, but here's the exciting part. You can easily earn around $1,000 every single week, spending just about 20 minutes a day. Awesome, isn't? To get started, get idea of your products from this amazing website called Everbee. You can use it for free with some limitations, but trust me, it's a goldmine for finding profitable ideas like frame mockups. Alright, now let's create some incredible mockups using AI. I'll be using Leonardo AI, but feel free to use Midjourney if you have access to it. Head to the Leonardo website, click on AI image generation, and let's set up the resolution as 16:9 for a perfect horizontal image. Just play with the settings, and you'll have a stunning mockup in no time. To make it even more professional, we'll remove the background, so your clients can use it hassle-free. You can also create a detailed PDF guide using Canva to ensure customer satisfaction. Now it's time to open your very own store on Etsy. I won't go too far as we like to keep these videos short, but if you need a quick video on how to do Etsy, leave a comment and we make a quick, easy tutorial video for you. So there you have it. Get ready to make some serious money with AI. If you found this short video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our money-making AI insights. Let's earn money from AI together.